Good morning everybody. কে জয়েন কে আছে? কেউ জয়েন করেছে? আহানা, অমর্ত্য হ্যারিস অনেকেই আছে তাই না? কৌশিক, কীর্তিকা, পূর্বায়ন, ঋথজিৎ তো ওদের ক্লাস, আমাদের না। ঋথজিৎ না, টু পাইন, ঋথজিৎ নয়। ঋতিকা রাজ, সমৃদ্ধ মণ্ডল, হ্যাঁ। সানিয়া খাতুন, লিজা, হ্যাঁ। সোমাগ্নি শ্রেষ্ঠা, সোমাগ্নি, সৌরদীপ মাঝিল্লা, সৃজিত, সুজান পারভিন, সুদেশনা পাল, হ্যাঁ। Good morning. Good morning. Good morning everybody. Today I will just start your textbook Marigold. Last day I told you that Marigold today. Okay, that smile, a smile, unit 3. A smile, page 39, page number 39, smile. Okay, open your book and as well as copy also. Shrestha? Yes, not to hurry, only open your book, smile, smile, and also that copy, English copy, Marigold book and English copy. Shauradip, are you not here? Why you are not every day wearing the school dress, beta? You are not in Bardwan? Okay, if any problem, you can write to me because everybody is wearing the school dress, you are not wearing. Okay. Shauradip Machilla, Kaushik, here Shivam, Patrali, everybody, Shamriddho, everybody open your Marigold book and copy, Marigold book and copy, Marigold book and copy. Purbayan, what happened? Good morning everybody. Good morning. Okay beta, okay, then no problem. If you are outside in West Bengal, so no problem Purbayan. Okay, that's then you will do the class. Okay, thank you beta. Please, okay. Then next day onwards, I will not tell. Okay, attend the class. Why everybody, Sudeshna is joining. Young Sudash. Ayan Ghosh is not joining. Ayush Pal is not joining. Okay, okay. No need to write the good morning. Everybody, I have heard that you have told me the good morning. Okay. So please today I'll start a smile. Please read with me. Please read with me. A smile. A smile, just look from the first line. First line here, one thing is there. A smile makes everyone happy. If you are smiling, if I am smiling, I can think that you are enjoying the class and you are happy. Not only the class, if you are smiling, if you are laughing in your house, then everybody is thinking, everybody not only thinking, they can understand that you are doing the class, you are all these things, you are very happy. So here please read with me. A smile is quite a funny thing. It wrinkles up your face and when it's gone, you will never find its secret hiding place. Wrinkles means just one shrinking of your skin. Okay, shrinks the skin, shrinks the skin. So smile is quite a funny thing. It wrinkles up your face, and when it's gone, you will never find its secret hiding place. So wrinkles means just if you are laughing or smiling, your skin here, the face, just it shrinks. It's bhaj pore jawa. Okay, it shrinks. And when it is gone, if you are not smiling, if you are not laughing, what you will do? Then where it has gone? We don't know. It has gone and we will never find the secret hiding place. Secret means there we could not find. Okay, that is hiding place. But far more to see what smiles can do. You smile at one, he smiles at you, and so one smile makes two. But far more wonderful it is to see what smiles can do. Far more wonderful means, I know that it is too much wonderful, okay, too much wonderful. And wonderful means it is amusing, it is surprising. Amusing also, that from there we are getting amusement, we are enjoying. Wonderful means not only amused, it is surprised, it is very nice. It's wonderful it is to see what smiles can do. You smiles at one, he smiles at you, and after that, do you remember if you are going somewhere, if you are traveling somewhere, or you don't know when some new students came to your class. New student came to your class, then first time you are very interested, but sometime you don't want to go there. But if he is smiling or she is smiling, you are also smiling. Then that is the thing that, oh, he is smiling, then we can go, because smiling means also another thing, that is he is happy, he or she is happy to see you. And so many conditions are there. Sometimes, nowadays, you are wherever in home, you cannot go anywhere. Some relatives, after many days, you have met. Okay, then after that, what is your feeling? Then, oh, after so many days, I have met to you. So you are smiling. So like this, here also, that what smiles can do. Smiles can make us laugh. Okay, if like here, Kaushik, Samriddho, they are not, Ahana, everywhere, Purbayan, Pautali, Sudeshna, nobody, Shrestha, Ushmit, and now nobody can see you. But sometime if you are meeting, if you meet everybody, so how fast you will be laughing that, you are smiling that after many days we have met. So like this, what smiles can do? Smiles can do many things. He smiles at you, and so one smile makes two. So one smile makes two. Means we can make, smile can make us friend. Okay, smile can make us friend. So here smile is a thing that we can, that can make everyone happy. Okay. So here please read once with me again. A smile is a quite funny thing. It wrinkles up your face, and when it's gone, you will never find its secret hiding place. Far more wonderful it is to see what smile can do. You smile at one, he smiles at you, and so one smile makes two. So here new words, please open your copy. New words also we are writing, we should write, okay. Number 1, spelling also you should do, and meaning. Number 1, here wrinkles, WRINKLES. Number 2, secret. Number 3, wonderful. Number 4, only here hiding place. Here wrinkles. Wrinkles means shrinks. Okay, shrinks the skin. Shrinks, SHRINKS. And secret or hiding, whatever we are telling. Secret means also we are just hiding something. Hiding in a place. And wonderful, wonderful means very, very surprising and amusing. Here only these 4 words I am giving to you. 4 words. You should only that do the spelling. Okay. Here wrinkles also I told the shrinks in a skin. Sometimes you can see your grandmother, grandfather, they are also having some wrinkles to their skin. That is because they are old. Sometimes the old people gets the wrinkled skin because of their age. Okay, because of their age. So only these 4 spelling you should write. Devopriya Mukherjee, you cannot see me. Can you see the board? Sometime when I am writing to the board, I am not coming in front of camera. Okay. So only you can see the board. Because you have to write the spelling. Ahana, please write beta 4 spelling: wrinkles, secret, wonderful and hiding. After that, Kaushik, please don't sit, write the questions. Okay. Then after I will write the answer. Those who have completed, please write the questions also. Here, page number 40, my grandmother has many wrinkles on her face. Shall I tell you a secret? And also obviously grandmothers are always happy. So they are always smiling. Amurto also did not join today. Why, I don't know. So, first one I am just rubbing that. First one. Then questions I will write for you. Okay, questions I will write for you. Only first question, please write with me. That page number 40. Why is smile a funny thing? Question number 1, page number 40. Why is smile a funny thing? Why is smile a funny thing? Why is smile a funny thing? Everybody write the question also, okay? From your book, from board. While is smile a funny thing? A smile is a funny thing. Funny, funny thing, because it wrinkles, W-R-I-N-K-L-E-S, wrinkles up our face. Our face. Please complete. Full stop. A smile is a funny thing because it wrinkles up our face. Okay. Again I am telling, a smile is a funny thing because it wrinkles up our face. Right, Purban, have you completed? Shankho, please. Why you are so late? Please open your Marigold book and also copy. Patrali, please write. Please write. Question number 2, I will write for that. Question number 2. Here I am writing the 2. What happens when you smile at someone? What happens when you smile at someone? What happens when you smile at someone? When you smile at someone? So question number 1, just I am rubbing. Question number 1. Here the answer number 1, answer number 1, answer number 2. When answer number 2, when we smile at someone, it makes us friend. So answer number, okay. Again I am telling, when we we smile at someone, it means it makes us friend. It makes us friend. Okay. It makes us friend. Number 1 answer is smile is a funny thing because it wrinkles up our face. And what happens when you smile at someone? When we smile at someone, it makes us friend. Another one extra question I will give. If you have completed today, then I will give, or another day I will give. Oh, that is for that Ritusri. Susan and Kaushik, why? What are you writing? Okay, let me see. Completed. Okay, beta. But I'll give little bit time to another one. Ahalam is also writing. Kirtika is writing. Please write, beta. No need to tell me that you have completed or not. Okay. Ahna, slowly you should write. Slowly. Okay. Don't do mistake. Kaushik, Samrit, have completed. Please once you will revise because I cannot see that. Okay. Ushmit also completed. So one thing I will, question number 1 I will rub. Question number 1, it wrinkles our face. That I have already rubbed. Then question number 3. Question number 3 is that is extra. Do you find when the smile is gone from you? Do you find when the smile is gone from you? So, no. Devapriya, you have written, no, I am completed. No, I have completed. Okay. Answer, no need to write, beta, only write the questions only. Do you find when the smile is gone from you? No. We never find. We will also, we will never find because it has gone its secret place. Secret place. Its secret place. Because it has gone its secret place. Or it has gone to secret place. It has gone to secret place. Only this much we can write. No, you will never find because it has gone to secret place. Again I will telling, just I am telling, do you find when the smile is gone from you? No, we will never, okay. Do you find when the smile is gone from you? Do you find when the smile is gone from, do you find the smile? I just want to tell that, do you find it? Do you find it only you can write, do you find it when the smile is gone from you? Do you find it from you? No, we will never find because it has gone to secret place. Okay. Again I am telling, again please look beta, look, no problem, slowly you should write. Do you find it when the smile is gone from you? No, you will never find because it has gone to secret place. Okay, Anam, any problem? Please beta write. Again I am telling, this is answer number 3. This is answer number 2. When we smile at someone, it makes us friend. Do you find it when the smile is gone from you? No, we will never find because it has gone to secret place. Okay, beta. Very good. You have written that, ma'am. Okay. I think everybody will complete. Ahana, again I am telling, do you find it when the smile is gone from you? No, we will never find because it has gone to secret place. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Please complete it. If any problem, write in my chat box. Okay.